Hi, I'm Elliot, and this is the Rubimix-9 Supertorque. Now we're going to see what's inside the case. First you have the mixing paddle, which comes with the machine. It also comes with a pair of wrenches so that you can attach the mixing paddle. And of course, most importantly, it comes with the Rubimix-9 Supertorque. The Rubimix-9 Supertorque comes with this mixing paddle, which has 3 helixes and a diameter of 140 millimeters. It also has a universal metric 14 connection. So you screw it in, and then when you're done, you tighten with the 2 wrenches. The Rubimix-9 Supertorque is a versatile mixer, adequate for mixing cement, resins, paint, as well as other materials. Why is it called the Rubimix Supertorque? Because its torque, which is its maximum mixing potential, is greater than other mixers in its segment. To maximize homogeneity and minimize air bubbles, lumps, and splashing, the machine has a 1,800 watt motor. It also has a 2-speed gearbox and a speed controller. For safety purposes, it has the soft start system. And what that system does is it prevents the machine from increasing its velocity too quickly when it's first turned on, so that you can avoid accidents when you're mixing. To maximize comfort and ergonomics, it has a double grip bimaterial handle. And with everything about the machine explained, we can now go see how it works. After you've used the machine, every now and then you need to replace the motor brushes, and we have everything designed so that that's really easy to do. First, you take off the mixer paddle, and then always with the machine unplugged, you take a screwdriver and you access the motor brushes like so. And then you take it out like that. Thanks for watching our product video for the Rubimix-9 Supertorque. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our social media or via our website. Until the next video.